A tool used by journalists to help them write news stories is called the inverted pyramid. Said to have developed during the Civil War, when correspondents needed to send their copy back to editors via unreliable telegraphs, the inverted pyramid summarizes the most important facts at the story's start. That way, if not all of the reporter's telegraphs made it back to the editor, the story could still be run. The first layer of the pyramid is the lead, which summarizes the story's most important facts, a combination of at least a few of the who, what, when, where, and why elements. The second layer adds supporting information and key quotes. Layer 3 adds even more details, additional facts, and quotes. Then more details, and so on. It kind of looks like an upside-down pyramid, which is where it gets its name. The inverted pyramid is a good format for a typical news story. It's a summarize first, explain later type of format. The story tries to resolve everything in the beginning of the story. Now, the inverted pyramid is also handy in that it allows editors to easily trim stories if you need to cut 4 paragraphs from a story so it will fit in the newspaper. An editor doesn't need to reread the entire story to find the least important details. They are always at the bottom. Now, the inverted pyramid can work well for stories like the one on page 40 of your textbook. The first version of the story lists the facts in chronological order rather than in order of importance. The most important element to that story is that the man is now escaped from police custody, not how the ordeal started. While the inverted pyramid works well for that story, it doesn't for everything else. The inverted pyramid can also get repetitive, and it doesn't always organize the story material logically.